In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce one-page checkout store. A one-page checkout streamlines the buying experience by letting customers choose a product, add it to the cart, and complete payment on a single page. This can reduce friction, cut down on abandoned carts, and help people finish purchases faster. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials so you can get this set up quickly. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins. This is where you add new functionality to your site, and it's the fastest way to extend WooCommerce without touching any code. Next, in the Plugins area, choose Add New. You'll see a search bar at the top right. In that search bar, enter Direct Checkout. This search will bring up plugins designed to simplify or bypass the cart step, enabling a smoother one-page flow for your store. Look for a plugin that clearly states it enables direct or one-page checkout for WooCommerce. When you've located the direct checkout option you want, click it to open the details panel. Here, you can review the description, screenshots, and recent updates to make sure it's compatible with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce. Checking the ratings and last update date is a good habit, as it helps ensure reliability and ongoing support. When you're ready, click Install Now. WordPress will fetch the plugin and prepare it for use. As soon as installation finishes, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to turn it on. Activation applies the plugin to your site so WooCommerce can use it to streamline the checkout process. At this point, your site has the tools needed to create a WooCommerce one-page checkout experience. The plugin is designed to reduce unnecessary steps so customers can move from selecting a product to placing an order more efficiently. You'll typically see new options or settings available to help you enable or customize that flow. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure your WooCommerce core plugin is up to date so everything stays compatible. If you use a caching or performance tool, clear your cache after activation so the changes appear right away. It's also smart to preview your checkout on both desktop and mobile to confirm the layout looks clean and the process feels smooth. That's it. You've opened your WordPress website, clicked Plugins, searched for Direct Checkout, and installed and activated the plugin that enables a WooCommerce one-page checkout. You're now ready to offer a faster, more streamlined shopping experience.